one of the arrowheads in the quest by the opposition to build a coalition to defeat the sitting president and the All Progressive Congress in the coming election in 2027, Malam Nasir El-Rufai have served notice that the Tinubu administration can be kicked out of office in 2027, saying that they do not need governors to be able to do it. According to the former governor of Kaduna State, we can win without governors. We can defeat the sitting president without governors. He said this in Kano when he was interviewed by journalists who are expressing concerns about the state of the coalition and the way the country is headed, especially with the array of defections to the ruling All Progressive Congress. You know that recently the coalition they are building has gotten some kind of setback in the mind of political observers. You know that the coalition they are building, they wanted to build a coalition that will be able to be much more widespread to challenge the Tinubu administration, which is like a reminiscence of what happened in 2013, 2014, 2015. The kind like APC that was able to beat an incumbent president, but they faced some challenge, especially when the PDP, after the PDP governors, after their meeting in Ibadan, they decided that they are not going to be part of any coalition. So they are not ready to be part of the coalition that Nasir El-Rufai and others are building. Nasir El-Rufai, who is a foundational member of APC, but now in SDP, they said that they are not going to be part of it. PDP governor said that anybody who wants to be part of election to challenge APC should come and join them. And you know that PDP is a total mess right now. Anybody joining PDP must be out of his mind. Okay, so that creates an impression that things is not working very well for them. And coupled with that decision of the PDP governors in Ibadan, that they are not going to be part of any coalition, which many people interpreted to have been targeted at Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, who is also one of the people building this coalition. And also coupled with that PDP Governors Forum decision in Ibadan, in Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Eno, the governor, has publicly declared that he is working for Tinubu to be re-elected president in 2027. Say that Tinubu needs 8 years to be able to complete the projects that he started, you know, that they are going to back him. And Eno is a PDP governor saying he is going to back the sitting APC president. In Delta State, the governor and the former governor of the state have all defected to the APC. They have been formally received. So it was against this backdrop that the journalists were now telling him, it appears that you guys are not going anywhere. It appears no hope for you people. People are just defecting to, governors are defecting to APC. Opposition governors from PDP are defecting to APC, and even those who didn't defect have already declared their support for the APC potential presidential candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So what is going to happen to your coalition? And Nasir El-Rufai gave logical reason why people should not be afraid. Which this things he said there, he told them was what, if you're a follower of this channel, if you are subscribed to this channel and you follow us daily, you would have known that I have said it before. And the example I gave in the video I did before on it was exactly what El-Rufai pointed out. Because in that video that I did before, I mentioned how P2B was able to do so well without governors. Okay? And it is believed that P2B won that election and it was stolen from him. Now, if P2B without governors can win and it was stolen from him, there is no doubt about it that by the law of average, another credible candidate, and I have said it before, that if they are serious, P2B is still the only candidate that can be able to do it again. If they build this coalition around him, P2B can defeat Tinubu, even without governors, again. All that will happen now will be that the votes will be better defended than ever before. Now, when the Malam Nasir El-Rufai was talking to those journalists, he gave, you can go and read the reports, published by several newspapers, including Daily Trust, all the other papers. Now, he said that, and I like his honesty. He said, look, Tinubu has a sitting governor in Lagos State, and he was defeated in Lagos State in 2023. And therefore, he queried, what is the value of a governor that people celebrate too much when they defect? Say yes, Tinubu was defeated in Lagos. That's true. And he then used himself as an example. He said he did everything he could to deliver Tinubu, but he lost. He was a sitting governor in Kaduna, and he lost. He said that reminded him, that taught him a lesson, that the will of the people always prevail. He therefore said that what they are looking for is to get the people on their side and not to get the governors. He said having the people on your side is far more important than the 36 state governors. And you cannot say this thing any better than the way Madam Nasir El-Rufai put it. And it's the absolute fact. All you need is the people. All you need is the people. The idea that because you have governors, I have seen Babajide Tituju of TVC always talking about, do you know what it means that they have these governors? It means that they will show the direction. It's not like that. It's not like that. If the people are determined that they are suffering under the APC, that they can no longer stand it, and you give them a credible candidate. I like the way Malam Nasir El-Rufai put it. He said that we are going to present alternative, that the kind they have never seen before. I hope they go bring somebody who will galvanize the grassroots across this country. He said they will give them alternative. They give Nigerians alternative, the kind they have never seen. Because that is what you need. You have to bring somebody that has credibility, somebody that his character is impeccable, that when they put them side by side, when you put Tinubu and that person together, it will be clear that there is a difference between light and darkness, between black and white. And there will be no ambiguity about who is better than the other. Okay? That's what they need to do. That is what they need to do. They have to bring on a new candidate, a candidate that people will perceive that this candidate, if you put him standing together with Bola Tinubu, the world will see, Nigerians will see the difference between light and darkness, white and black. And making the choice will be easy for the Nigerian people. And if that is done by 12 noon on election day, with making sure that INEC cannot toy with the fact of switching off the transmission of a result under any guise, and Nigerian people defending their votes, standing there ready to lay down their lives to make sure that their votes count, by 12 noon, the APC will be out of government. That's my perception from what I have understood, listening to Nigerian people, going through the social media and on the streets, listening to people, what they are saying. I have no doubt in my mind that if, as Nasir El-Rufai put it, they're able to bring an alternative that will be very attractive to Nigerian people. Nigerian people are bigger, stronger, and much more overwhelming than the 36 state governors and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. That is for sure. I agree with Nasir El-Rufai. The coalition don't need governors to win. What it needs is the Nigerian people who are determined to vote, and not just vote, but defend their vote. Because that is the only language the APC understands. Voting and defending your vote with your life. If you're not ready to do that, you're not going anywhere in this election. APC will just get a free ride to the second term. El-Rufai is right. The coalition can win without governors. It has been tested to be true. Peter Obi did it in 2023. It can be done in 2027. This time around, the Nigerian people will not allow APC to get away with what they got away with in 2023. If that is done, there is no doubt that APC, that the coalition does not need governors to be able to defeat APC and their sitting president in 2027. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.